Hi, this is Navya Bal, and you're watching TimesXP. A quiet Canadian neighborhood, an elderly couple, and a crime so disturbing that it shocked the entire country. Now, nearly after 3 years, the trial has finally begun. In Canada, a court has started hearing evidence against three Indian origin men accused for brutally murdering an elderly couple, Arnold and Joanne De Jong, back in 2022. The couple lived in Abbotsford, British Columbia. On 9th May 2022, family member became worried that they couldn't call or reach out to their phone. One of the son-in-law went to the house and what they found was horrifying. Arnold and Joanne were found dead inside their own home just one day after hosting a family gathering. Prosecutors say that this was not just a random crime. According to the court, the three accused, Gurkaran Singh, Abhijit Singh, and Kushveer Singh Toor, had links to the couple through a cleaning business. That business has worked at the De Jong's home months before the killings. The prosecution claims that the motive was debt, financial stress, and greed. But you know what? There's a deeper and darker twist to it. One of the accused, Gurkaran Singh, had arrived in Canada on a student visa less than a month before the murder. Soon after the death, two of them accused allegedly deposited check worth $3,600 each into the bank accounts. Each of the checks reportedly was signed by John De Jong and marked payments for clearing services. Police say that they noticed suspicious banking activities and investigating the crime scene. Phone records, financial data, and electronic evidence were then pulled in. And now listen to this. Court testimony says that Arnold and John were found in separate bedrooms with their hands and feet tied using ropes. Arnold had a duct tape wrapped around his head, covering his mouth and nose. Well, prosecutors say he died due to asphyxiation. Johns, meanwhile, suffered sharp and blunt force injuries and was found with visible blood around her head and neck. The trial is expected to last 40 days. More than 24 witnesses will testify, and the court will examine the fingerprints, DNA, cell phone data, and financial records. All three accused have pleaded not guilty, and the case raised serious questions about trust, financial pressure, and how crimes can happen behind the closed doors. So, do you think financial stress can push somebody so hard towards this extreme of violence? Share your thoughts in the comments.